You can see this is the end of one nerve and this is the end of another nerve. Whereas over here, the nerves were this close, the endings were this close. Now, look at the distance between here and here. It's really far apart, right? So when that's far apart, it's hard to send love letters. Like, you remember in school, you write a little note and you're trying to throw it to a friend. Well, if your friend is outside in the hallway, it's very hard to throw that note outside into the hallway, right? So there's going to be improper communication. And when there's improper communication, I like to say there's a short circuit. And then when that happens, that's when neurological conditions start to happen, right? That's when you start getting the tremors. That's when you start getting the numbness, the tingling, the pain, because you lost connection, communication. So the key is communication. Now, what causes these nerves? What causes these nerves to shrink? Improper nutrition. When you don't have proper nutrition, you shrivel up. Just like, if you starve yourself, you're going to start shrinking, right? You're going to start shriveling up because you're starving yourself. That's the same thing that happens with our nerves, right? So our body is actually, I like to just explain our body in very, simple terms, because it is actually very simple. Healing is actually very simple. We just tend to like to complicate it in medicine. Okay, so the purpose of me showing this is that in order to restore and sometimes even reverse chronic degenerative nerve disorders, you have to improve the communication within your nervous system. Okay.